Today I am going to express the topic product of electrolysis. Rest of the topic is already discussed through Zoom app, and few topics are left for the chapter electrochemistry. So, product of electrolysis in general, in lower classes, we only according to dissociation of electrolytes. For example, NaCl. NaCl electrolyte to give Na plus cation and Cl minus anion. According to rule, cation at cathode, cation liberated at cathode and anion at anode. But in 12th class, the product of electrolysis is studied in different way. It depends upon the nature of electrolytes and the nature of electrode used. There are two types of electrodes. One electrode is inert, which never reacts with electrolyte during electrolysis, and does not discharge at cathode and anode. But the another kind of electrode is reactive electrode. So during electrolysis, the product of electrolysis depends upon the nature of reactive electrodes and the electrolyte used. So in both the conditions, the product of electrolysis is different. So one by one we are going to discuss their deposition at cathode or anode, because reactive electrodes participate in the electrode reaction. And the another thing is, the product of electrolysis depend on the different oxidizing and reducing species present in the electrolytic cell and their standard electrode potential. According to rule, the cation discharge at cathode, the cation whose electrode potential is higher, numerically higher or mathematically higher, preferred, and therefore their reactions at cathode takes place according to their electrode potential. For example, in the case of hydrogen, whose electrode potential is 0 volt, and zinc Zn2 plus, whose electrode potential is minus 0.76 volt. In both of them, the higher electrode potential of hydrogen. So at cathode, there is a competition between the cations present when the electrode is reactive. In that condition, there is no single cation present. So, and at anode, anion discharge at anode, according to concept, according to rule, the cation whose electrode potential is numerically lower, preferred, and therefore they discharge at anode. For example, if we are going to electrolyze NaCl, case 1, if we use molten NaCl, the product of electrolysis are sodium metal at cathode and Cl2 at anode, because there is no interaction with electrode, because the electrode is inert. So cation Na plus and Cl minus anion present in electrolytic cell. So product is sodium and chlorine. But if Case 2. The electrolysis in aqueous medium. Electrolysis in aqueous medium. In that condition, at cathode, the cations are Na plus and H plus also due to electrolysis. I will send their reactions after the end of the lecture. In cathode, the preferred cations are H plus, whose electrode potential is 0, 0, and which is obtained by the electrolysis of H2O, and the Na plus, which is obtained by the electrolysis of NaCl. But Na and H plus, electrode potential of H plus is higher, so the product is H plus plus electron gives half H2. In the same manner, at anode, anions are Cl minus as well as oxygen, because it is obtained by the dissociation of OH minus ion. Due to overpotential of oxygen, the preferred product is Cl minus, that is Cl2. So the product of electrolysis is, after the end of the chemical reaction, NaCl aqueous in the presence of H2O, Na plus and Cl minus. At cathode, H2O plus E half H2 OH minus. At anode, Cl minus aqueous gives half Cl2 plus electron. So the net reaction is NaCl plus H2O, liquid condition, gives Na plus aqua, OH minus aqua, plus half H2 gas plus half Cl2 gas. So finally, the standard electrode potential are replaced by electrode potential according to Nernst equation. In another condition, in another cases, during electrolysis of sulfuric acid, the following reactions takes place. At anode, H2O gives O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron. Standard electrode potential is 1.23. And 2SO4 2 minus aqueous medium, S2O8 2 minus plus 2 electron. Standard electrode potential is 1.96 volt. So for dilute sulfuric acid, the preferred reaction at higher concentration of H2SO4 is, the reaction is 2SO4 2 minus gives H2O8 2 minus plus 2 electron. And in dilute condition, the preferred reaction is 2H2 gives O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron. So in this way, the product of electrolysis is very good topic. One question may ask from this topic. So if the electrode is inert like platinum or gold, they never takes part in a chemical reaction, whatever the electrolyte present in the solution. So according to concept, finally, during electrolysis, the cation discharge at cathode having higher standard electrode potential, and at anode, the anion whose electrode potential is numerically lower are preferred. The condition is that if the electrode is inert or if the electrode is reactive. So, at the end of the topic, you must go through the equations which is present at the end of the exercise. Question number 3.18. Predict the product of electrolysis in each of the following. You must go through this topic. Okay.